Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing professional oversight. Do not attempt this yourself. Call a licensed veterinarian and confirm docking is legal where you are, plus any age limits. Ask about anesthesia and multimodal pain control so the puppy won't suffer. Make sure vaccinations and health checks are current, and plan fasting of the puppy as advised by the vet. Once appointments are set, arrange a warm transport and an adult to assist, because safe care begins before any procedure. You need to understand what the veterinarian will actually do. This is a sterile, surgical procedure under general anesthesia. The vet assesses tail anatomy and selects the removal point based on the puppy's health and breed standards. During the operation, the team monitors heart rate, breathing, and temperature. Roman IV fluids and local blocks may be used for comfort. Ask the vet to explain expected bleeding control and the method of closure, so you know why each step protects the puppy. You focus on recovery. Keep the puppy warm, quiet, and monitored. Follow the vet's instructions for analgesics and antibiotics. Timing and dosing matter. Inspect the incision twice daily for redness, swelling, or discharge, and feel for fever. Call the clinic if you see increasing pain or any bleeding that does not stop. Make the scheduled follow-up appointment. If complications arise, take the puppy back immediately. Troubleshooting tip: if bleeding persists, apply gentle pressure and seek emergency veterinary care without delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.